I would never in the history of ever say that something I'm trying, but it's too hard. Not because it isn't hard and not because I'm not trying. It's just there's no upside to a sentence like that. You think you're defeated because of your attempts, but you're defeated because of your brain, what you're making stuff mean. You think I'm trying to lose weight and I'm trying to do these things and I tried to do that and I tried to do this. And you think that that's all very positive, but it's like a beat down to yourself. You're just creating all this negativity and then you're suffering from your own negativity. So what we want to do is just be curious about that. Because you're in the habit of it, you're not even seeing it from the outside. When you separate yourself from your brain and you recognize that its opinion is noted, but it's not going to drive your life, that's when you get authority enough to change it. Enough is enough with the beatdown. I'm not going to try and be kinder to myself. I just am going to do it. That is what changes your life.